Have you tried the keto diet and you haven't felt well? Have you had some of the side effects of doing keto called the keto flu? Well, this video is for you because one of the most overlooked parts about doing the keto diet is that your electrolytes can get out of balance. We know that when we get into ketosis, this has a diuretic effect, which means that it's flushing excess water and sodium from our kidneys when we do the keto diet. So sometimes we need, and most times when doing the keto diet, we need to manually supplement our electrolytes. What does that mean? Well, this means getting in excess and enough of magnesium as a major electrolyte, potassium, as well as enough salt, especially when we're doing keto. And this is to, of course, avoid things like the keto flu symptoms. Most commonly, if you do have keto flu, you may experience headaches, you could feel very tired, some people even get nausea as part of that keto flu, and this has a lot to do with that electrolyte imbalance. Now, you could also be killing off in doing keto and not feeding some of your gut microbiome with that sugar and maybe that excess sugar that you were eating previously. You could be killing off some of those intestinal parasites and candida, and that is part of that die-off reaction, also known as the keto flu, in my opinion, when you start doing the keto diet. So I have great videos in terms of how to deal with the candida and the parasites, so make sure you check those out. But I also want you to check out my electrolyte drink recipe in this video, so please check out that recipe. Use that as you are doing the keto diet. It will really help you to not have those side effects of doing keto and the keto flu. One of my goals is to teach you how to empower yourself over the healing of your own body, mind, and spirit. Be well, everyone.